So this is actually a 7.5 kilowatt. There's no water in it. The solid wood plate is fortunately not worn much. Same with the thrust discs. Now cut the invisible and measure the insulation. It's all zero. It's a pity. The copper wire belongs to me. Wash it again. Hey, these copper wires are pretty new. It's a pity to sell scrap copper. After the last sale of 300.5 kilograms of copper, I was relieved for a long time. I haven't come out yet. Not for sale this time. I'm going to melt it into a bronze brick. Then it was collected for 100 or 2 years. This gold furnace, since the last stove was something failed, just keep it in the corner and detach. It's not a thing either. Let's give it a good makeover today. Because it was melted for an hour before. Can't even melt glass. Obviously not enough firepower. So, let's start with an upgrade to his fuel system. I bought a 5-liter gas tank specially, coupled with this big spray gun. He has 2 valves here. A hand grip with a knob. The caliber of the spray gun is 50. I'm going to remodel this bucket now to match this spray gun. So he buys a similar drill. This drill bit is 53. It is specially drilled for this stainless steel iron sheet. You just need to drill the hole in this bucket bigger. Then the spray gun can be inserted. Now quiet. So take it away. And you can be my smile. It's over. This bucket is useless. The refractory soil inside is rotten. The hole is not installed properly either. Make a mistake and come again. Hey, just right. It just plugged in. But this refractory soil is useless. Just after the introduction of fans, bought this refractory carton online. I didn't know there was such a thing before. If I knew it earlier, I wouldn't need fire mud. Oh, right. I haven't tried this refractory cotton yet. Refractory. Now make a hole in the refractory cotton. So the hole goes in tangentially. When ignited, a fire tornado can be formed inside. Now let's make this lid. It was my fault. You just tilted it. This little hole will definitely not satisfy. It had to be expanded. It's done. It's crooked. It's a bit big. Okay, this lid is almost ready. But this bucket seems to thin. The thermal insulation performance is definitely not good. Check out other stoves online. Its endurance map is so thick. But you can add cotton in it. There is no place to put the dry pan. Xing, why can only bread outside? The durable cotton I bought this time. It's wrapped with a layer of tin foil. Okay, that should be it. Although it looks a bit ugly. But the properties of this furnace, definitely a huge improvement. Put the dry pan here then. Then the flame comes in and spins directly. Close the lid again. Just perfect. Try it. Chao AI. Come on, where can I set fire? What kind of fire? Chao AI. Yeah, I'm here. Where can I barbecue? You can look for barbecues near you. Grill barbecue. It may be the most primitive way of cooking for humans. And now we're in a wasteland. This place is also good to find. It took a long time to find it. Now try the effect of this spray gun. Just wait a minute and start the fire with this little spray gun. This is washed copper wire. This time with 2 bundles. One bundle is 7.5 kilowatts. One bundle is 5.5 kilowatts. It just so happens that these 2 bundles of copper wire are relatively new and clean. Let's try the effect of the spray gun first. Never tried. Shit, this pelvic cavity is much stronger than I expected. I can't seem to grasp it. Now connect the buckets. Try the effect. I can feel his temperature here. This place. What is mean like? No, lift it up. This isn't right. It stands to reason that there should be no such open flame. Take a look at those furnaces on the internet. They don't have open flames. Obviously not good. No. There should be no open flame. I'll take out the dry pan and take a look now. Is it because this dry pan is too big? Then the combustion chamber space is too small. Open flame caused by insufficient oxygen. That's not right. There is still an open flame. If it is fully burned, look out then. He's blue fire. Once you put it in, there will be an open flame. It is possible that the action of my lid is too small. Now take the lid off and try it. No, still no. It can't be because the spray gun I bought is too big, can it? Why can't it achieve the effect of this kind of furnace? You can find it in the comment section. All bullet comments and comments to discuss. Then the copper rock will not be burned today. This furnace must be improved. See you next time. Bye.